However you want to be. Okay, so tell me the make, model, and the year of your bike.
It's a Harley Sporter S 1250 23 model.
Is this your first bike? Your bike number what?
Bike number 3.
Bike number 3?
Yeah.
Why Harley versus a different band?
I like the laid back approach.
You like the, okay. Is it because it's lower also? You like the style of
I
Harley?
think a combination of things, the style, how
Okay.
it rides, how it sits,
Okay.
how it turns. Yeah.
So you're mostly like you like cruising? Is that why you
Yeah,
got
I like
this?
to just chill and
Just chill,
relax and-
relax. This bike is very unique. We don't see very often this style. So when you picked it, did you was that one of the reasons you picked the bike? Is because it's like a custom, unique bike?
Actually, I picked it primarily because it gives you the best of the both worlds.
Okay.
It's a Harley sports bike,
Yes. Yes.
so it can really rip on a highway. You know, it can really go 0 to 60 in
Yeah.
2 to 3 seconds.
Okay.
And when you want, you could just relax and chill on it on the back roads.
Right. Did you get it from somebody local, or did you get it from out the state, or where did you get it from?
A local.
So a local vendor. Okay. Now, what's your plan with the bike? And when you got it brand new, right?
I got it from a friend.
A friend. How many miles did it have?
2000,
2,000. And how many miles does it have now?
3000.
3,000. Oh, so you only put 1,000 miles because you just got it, right?
That's right.
So do you commute on the bike also, or is it just for fun?
Mostly for fun, just for leisure.
Weekend leisure?
Weekend leisure, someday weekdays leisure as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So what's your plan with the bike? Do you only have this bike right now, or do you have another bike as well?
One at a time. I used to have Kawasaki ZX10r.
Okay. So right now you only have this bike.
This one.
Okay. Cool. That's cool. Are you going to keep it for a while? You going to trade it in for something else? What's your plan?
Maybe for a year or two.
For a year or two, you're going to keep it?
Yes.
And then what's your plan? What other bike are you looking at?
I have BMW X in my mind as well, so
Okay.
probably that would be the next one.
The Ducati?
BMW X, yeah.
Yeah, Ducati Devil X. Okay, yeah. That also is kind of cruising style also,
They
right?
all fall into the cruiser sports bikes or
Yeah,
yeah.
cool. Is this the first time for you at this event, or do you normally come here with these people?
No, actually, I'm pretty new to these events. This is my second. The first one was Taco Tuesday in Springfield.
Taco Tuesday, yes, exactly. Yeah. They also have bikes and breakfast, and they have them on a Sunday. They had one today, bikes and breakfast. Well,
Yeah.
nice meeting you. Welcome to the club
Awesome.
of bikes. So nice to meet you.
Same
Thank
here.
you very much.
Take care.